Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to easily find all solutions to this basic trigonometric equation, and then we'll find solutions in the interval from 0 to 2 pi. We're going to solve the equation 2 times cosine theta is equal to plus or minus root 3. Let's reduce it to cosine theta is equal to c, and we get cosine theta is equal to plus or minus root 3 divided by 2. Let's split this into our positive equation. Cosine theta is equal to root 3 over 2. And then our equation with a negative constant. Cosine theta is minus root 3 over 2. When cosine's positive, theta is going to be arc cosine of root 3 over 2 on the left. And for the equation on the right, theta is going to be arc cosine minus root 3 over 2. When our c is positive and equal to root 3 over 2, our angle is going to be in quadrants 1 and quadrant 4. When our c is negative and equal to minus 3 pi over 2, our solution is going to be in quadrant 2 and in quadrant 3, where cosine is negative. Our first solution to cosine theta is equal to root 3 over 2 is in quadrant 1, and theta is equal to arc cosine of root 3 over 2, which is pi over 6, and this is our reference angle theta sub r. Our second solution lies in the fourth quadrant, and theta is going to be 2 pi minus theta sub r. So this is 2 pi minus pi over 6, which gives us 11 pi over 6. Our solutions are then pi over 6 plus 2n pi, and then 11 pi over 6 plus 2n pi. So between 0 and 2 pi, our solutions are pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. Let's go back up to our equation. Cosine theta is minus root 3 over 2. We'll start by remembering that our reference angle is equal to pi over 6. Our solution is going to be theta is equal to pi minus theta sub r. So this is pi minus pi over 6, which is equal to 5 pi over 6. And then in our third quadrant, we'll move it up here a little bit. Our theta is going to be equal to pi plus theta sub r. So this is pi plus pi over 6, which gives us 7 pi over 6. So our solution is going to be 5 pi over 6 plus 2n pi, and then 7 pi over 6 plus 2n pi. And our solutions between 0 and 2 pi are just 5 pi over 6 and 7 pi over 6. And we'll remind ourselves that n is an integer. 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2, etc.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.